hi يا بنتي.
يا
hi مناهل يا بنتي.
كتا الوقت عنها يعني.
وفي أنا والله.
Okay. Ask her something. Don't worry, it's okay. She's your friend now.
Yes, Manahil is my friend.
Yes. You wanna ask something with her? Okay, ask. No problem.
Hi, Manahil. Best friend.
She's ready. She's ready. She say okay. No problem. Best friend.
Wow. Hi, Manahil. Thank you so much, Abiti.
Tell her you have to follow me.
Manahil. Yeah. Because
No problem.
I like when she take my foot on you. Because you are
What?
secret. When she take foot on eating you, you know it's good, very good.
Best friend. Best friend على المغنى. جاك معروف. شو قصة نقطة واحد يجي سلوسة. لك يا كعب. رحمة, are you okay now? Your internet. أفكر تسمع إنجليزي ككالي. معناه مركي واحد زين ترى بتاعنا أفكر دبرتك. Wait. You mean when Manahil give me food, right? Huh? You mean
I
when
like
Manahil
it, والله. Yes.
Okay, welcome to that. Okay, so Manahil, she said, Rahma best friend. Huh?
Grab?
Yeah, you wanna follow her now? Follow her Instagram. She will follow you back, okay? Then best friend. Okay, what would you say? You say and I also need feedback.
No.
What do you wanna say?
I did listen.
Huh? No, these people they make you crazy. No, Buso. No. Don't Buso. Listen, Rahmo, you are good.
Crazy.
You are very nice. You are my best friend. Don't worry. No, you are not doing Duso. You are very nice. Listen.
Yes.
Ask what do you wanna ask Manahil? Okay.
I am not. I don't lose.
Yeah. Okay, ask her something. Don't worry, no problem. Ask her something.
I got the best of it. Oh, original.
Ramo, wait, stop the music. We are chatting. We are having conversation. Stop the song. What? Stop the music. Call it راحت رحمه.
Sika don't. Sika.
Wow, iska bashan ka mo kanta. Hello. Ramo. music.